All right, let's get your weather. Complicated forecast, but one thing stands out. Saturday, easily the driest day of the weekend. We can see here that the showers that we had a few of today have all dried up here now. Interesting feature setting up to the south of us. Remember we talked about the leftovers of what was Tropical Storm Christina in the Pacific crossing over Mexico and then redeveloping and combining with a tropical wave in the Gulf? Well, it's doing that right now. It's still not a named system, only a 20% chance that it becomes a tropical depression or stronger. But the odds have gone up a little bit, and there's some signs we may see some development off the Texas Gulf Coast later next week. It's also early in the week going to throw tropical moisture our way, and that'll show itself in the form of showers and storms that really go up in coverage beginning Sunday. And then on Monday, a cold front comes south to really up the rain coverage. Let me show you that local view so you can plan your weekend. First of all, a lot of clouds around Saturday morning and a tiny shower chance early in the day. Then it's a sun cloud mix and another spotty shower or two may develop Saturday afternoon into the early evening. I think the rain coverage tomorrow is lower than it was today, by the way, but still not completely dry. Sunday, as that tropical moisture from the Gulf pushes north into central Texas, a couple of showers in the morning. Scattered showers and storms bubble up for the afternoon, continuing into the evening. They may not stop at all, or at least completely here Sunday night, and then they just keep going into Monday. And then as our cold front comes in from the north later on Monday, the rain and storm coverage goes way up midday through Monday afternoon. A couple of strong storms, but locally heavy rain is our primary concern both Sunday and Monday. So 10% rain chances Saturday, 50% chances Sunday, 80% rain and storm coverage Monday. A 1 to level 2 out of 4 flash flooding threat on these slow-moving downpours on Sunday. There's also a low 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for our northern counties on Sunday, likely for damaging wind gusts that could come with some of the storms later in the day. And then on Monday, a 1 to 2 out of 4 flash flooding threat again, with just a different area where the highest rain totals could be. We think areas east of 35 have the highest chances of exceeding an inch, 1 to 2 inches for many of you there. Along and west of 35, not quite that much, 1/4 inch to an inch, but there'll be some isolated higher totals wherever you are. That's just how it works around here. Rain coverage drops significantly on Tuesday, just some leftover morning showers, and then a very isolated shower possible Wednesday, and then we'll have to see how those shower and storm chances bubble back up again toward the end of next week, depending on what develops in the Gulf. Most of the time we're in the 90s, but that cold front Monday into Tuesday knocks us briefly into the 80s.